Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajandar High School and Junior College, Wahoo. Now, student, our current topic is chemical kinetics. Now, in case of chemical kinetics, in today's lecture, we are going to discuss a simple definition and simple concept. First one, elementary of reaction. Second one, complex reaction. Third one, rate determining step, and last one is your reaction intermediate. Now in two examples I will try to explain all 4 points. Now first points, we are going to start what is elementary of reaction. What is elementary of reaction? Now elementary of reaction means we can say the reaction occur in single step. What is elementary of reaction? The reaction occur in single step and cannot be broken down into simpler reaction. Such reactions are called as elementary of reaction. जो reaction एक ही step में होते हैं. Like here, decomposition of ozone. Now here ozone is O3. When ozone decompose, it convert into dioxygen and monooxygen. Okay, now this reaction take place in single step, so these reactions are called as elementary of reaction. The reaction occur in single step and cannot broken down into a simpler reaction. That reactions are called as elementary of reaction, and this is best example like your SN2 reaction we have discussed. Now SN2 reaction occurred in one step. Okay, that is also the example of your elementary of reaction. Now our second point is complex reaction. Our second point, complex reaction. Now what is complex reaction? So the reaction which constitute a series of elementary of reaction. The reaction which constitute a series of elementary of reaction. Now which constitute a series of elementary of reaction means the reaction which take place more than one step. More than one step. Now here Na2Cl convert into twice of NO2 plus Cl2. Now this above reaction occur in two steps. When you will observe, this reaction occur in two steps. Now in first step, one Na2Cl convert into Na2 plus Cl. Now in second step, from here second Na2Cl react with this Cl, it convert into Na2 plus Cl2. So this reaction take place in two steps. So this reaction is called as a complex reaction. The reaction which constitute a series of elementary of reaction में जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा steps होते हैं. This reaction is called as complex reaction. Okay. Now in this reaction, when you will observe twice of NO2Cl convert into twice of NO2 plus Cl2. Now here we have used first NO2Cl and now first NO2Cl convert into NO2 plus Cl. Now from here second NO2Cl react with this Cl, and it convert into NO2 plus Cl2. Now our first step, it is slow step, and second step is your fast step. Now related to this slow and fast step, our next concept is rate determining step. Our next concept is rate determining step. Now what is rate determining step? So in complex reaction, a series of elementary of reaction take place. In complex reaction, series of elementary of reaction take place. मीन्स उसमें एक से ज्यादा स्टेप रहते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पर 2 स्टेप है. Now one of the step is slower than second step. One step is slow than second step, and this slow step, it is a rate determining step. This slow step, it is a rate determining step. So what is rate determining step? In complex reaction, a series of elementary of reaction take place in which one step is slow than another step, and the slow step is a rate determining step. So in this case, in two steps, our first step is slow step and this step is a rate determining step. मतलब टोटल रिएक्शन को कंप्लीट होने में जो टाइम लगेगा दैट वी विल गेट इन फर्स्ट स्टेप. अपने को फर्स्ट स्टेप में मालूम हो जाएगा कि कितने टाइम में रिएक्शन कंप्लीट हो रहा है या व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन. नाउ माय लास्ट पॉइंट, रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. Reaction intermediate. Now when you will see the reaction intermediate, we can define as the species formed in first step. The species formed in first step and consume yet disappear in second step. The species formed in first step and disappear yet consume in second step. That species is called as a रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट. किसको बोलूंगा मैं रिएक्शन इंटरमीडिएट? द स्पेसिस फॉर्म इन फर्स्ट स्टेप and it is consumed in second step. That species is called as reaction intermediate. Like this, in this case NO2Cl. Now here Cl is formed with nitrogen dioxide. Now this Cl, it is used in second step. Here NO2Cl react with this Cl, so this Cl get consumed, disappeared in second step. So these species are called as a reaction intermediate. ये species को मैं क्या बोलूंगा? Reaction intermediate. So this is our today's simple definition. Our first one is elementary of reaction. So the reaction which occur in single step and cannot further broken down into further simpler reaction, that is elementary of reaction. What is complex reaction? जिसमें एक से ज्यादा स्टेप होते हैं. The reaction which constitute a series of elementary of reaction. Now third one is your rate determining step. In complex reaction, series of elementary of reaction take place in which one step is slow than other step. So this slow step is called as a rate determining step. And next one is your reaction intermediate. And what is reaction intermediate? The species formed in first step and get disappeared in second step. That species is called as a reaction intermediate. Okay, so this one is a simple video lecture based on a definition of chemical kinetics. Okay, thank you.